The aim of this program is the following one. When the green flag is clicked, it works in the following way. We move the paddle, and when the tennis ball touches the paddle, it bounces. So this program has three different parts. On the one hand, the paddle. This is the program of the paddle. When the green flag is clicked, coordinate X of the paddle is equal to coordinate X that the mouse has at that time. When this instruction is inside a forever loop, it will execute it again and again until the program closes. The tennis ball has two programs. We are going to analyze the first one, this one. When the paddle is not touched, this is executed. That is to say, when the green flag is clicked, the tennis ball goes to coordinate x0 and y180, and besides, it moves the tennis ball 10 steps. If the tennis ball is touching the paddle, this is the case. This code is executed once. The file makes sound pop, the tennis ball turns at a random angle between 160 and 200, and finally moves 10 steps. We see it. This is the sound. It turns at a random angle and finally moves 10 steps.